Hello guys, you are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to recover your Gmail ID in case you have lost your Gmail ID. In case someone who has stolen your Gmail ID, changed the password, now you don't have the recovery emails, don't have recovery phone number, how do you assist with recover? We will see alternative method via providing the sufficient information for the Google to be sure that we can claim that this account is mine. How it is possible, we will see live here. Let's see. This idea has been recommended by one viewer to recover it quickly because unfortunately he has lost. So don't worry, in case in a situations someone who has hijacked or hacked your Gmail ID, also you can rescue by a similar strategy. How it is. So see guys here, just we will go for try again, and here. This is a particular ID that we would like to recover. So now see, we are in a account recovery. Just we don't have a password, so we will pick another way. We don't have a phone number, we will pick another way. Now here is a thing that we did not provide enough information for the Google to show that this account is mine. This can be possible when answer as many questions we can, and of course use the device when you have the sign in before. Both we have alternative third options. Let's see how it is possible. If I go for try again the multiple times, then another one platform will be open, and there we will have to provide them enough information with document proof identity on the basis of Google will endorse to justify that this account is really yours or not. But total estimated time can be this packed more than 48 hours, so of course it will take much more time. So what you will do here now, yes, we have alternative options. I have already mentioned to you. Just we will cut it from here, and upon of course we will come in a Play Store. In the Play Store we have the one browser, that is the Opera browser beta with AI browser, especially artificial intelligence we will use here. Now we will cut it from here, and upon of course we will come in a Google product. We will hold it there, especially Z browser. We will come in a icons on this help icon, and upon of course we have now notification options. We will make it especially disable. So now it has been the blocks. On the other hand, of course, we will tap on a permissions to, of course, we will have to go for navigate the location. So in the location, of course, we will make the precise location. That should be addition. That should be off, and thereupon, of course, we will click on a try. Don't allow any means basic feature of your device may no longer function as intended for timing. I'm doing that. Now we will cut it from here, and upon once again we will come in a special and Google, and of course we will hold the Chrome. Chrome is also product of Google, as we know that, so that's why we will hold, and we will come on this notification in there. Of course we will have to make it blocks, and of course we will come here one more time. We will come in the permissions too, of course we will come in the locations too, of course make the precise location disable, guys, and of course we will click on don't allow anyway. Then of course we will have here, and then of course one more time we will have to back. Yes, remove the permission and free up space. Then of course one more time back, and of course we will come the defaults browser app, and of course we will have to select. Yes, we will have to select this especially Opera browser, and then of course we will cut it from here. Now we will have to come in Opera browser. Let's open, and after opening, what we will do here, let's see. Now we will have to accept the term and condition of this, so just we will go for next, and of course in next we will click on especially allow, and allow to, of course we will have to go for here. Just now two more steps we need, guys, here. Let it complete. Now we are here. Just we will have to pick this G browser and the options. Now we come here. Here we will have one more options, and that is a sign in. Here this one we will have to pick. Now here, what was the ID that we will have to enter? So this ID we will have to enter. Now that we have done this ID, now here we will have to go for next. So let's click on a go, and see here. In Go it's asking the password. Of course we will go for forgot password. Let's see, we don't have password. So now that we don't have a phone number also, so what we will do here, just we will click here, don't have the phone number, guys. Now it's also essential that we did not provide enough information for the Google to show that this account is mine. So this can be the possible. Answer as many questions we can or use a device when you have to sign in before. So here we, if click try again, so then what will happen, guys, here, of course this account would be a freeze for time being, and the phone, of course, Google will track easily that's how the thanks to recover the particular Gmail ID that doesn't belong to me. Why? Is because via a different browser I'm trying to or attempting to, and over two. So what we will do, just we will cut it from, leave it from here, no problem at all. We have alternative option that I have already mentioned to you. Of course we will come to setting to, of course we will have to tap on it, Google service. So where is the Google service? This we will have to pick. So now Google will recover to you, don't worry. Just we will come the help icon of Google's, and the phone, of course we camera is can't sign into your Gmail accounts and the phone. What we will have to do here, now that we have options you think someone else is using, so of course we will have to pick. So this option we will have to pick. So now that we have the selected that someone else is using, so now we have to go for secure my account here, and in secure accounts here we will come the account review activities, and of course here find out if your account has been hacked. Yes, and here as we see, just we will come the account recovery page, these steps, of course we will go for here. And now what we will see here, let's see. Now once again we will have to enter the particular that ID that we want to recover. Now what we will do here, just simply we will go for here, guys, next. Now see, guys, here we are here. Now we have a two option here. What we have to do, just we will have to go for click on enable, and when we click on enable, and then it's essential that especially either we have to go for continue, or of course we have to go for change the password. Don't make this stupid here that to click on a continue. Otherwise if you click on a continue, so then what will happen, you will gonna it's verify you in options in there, and of course there once again you will have to reply the query or alternative OTP or alternative recovery emails. If you don't have that, then of course it will give you same problem, and of course easily anyone's where who is using your OTP or of course the recovery emails, and then you will have the problem. So that's why just we will have to click on the change the password, and after changing the password here, new password, you will have to write confirm the new password and the phone. Of course after changing, then you will have to go in a device management here, in a especially Gmail device management option in a security center. In the security center, of course you will have to add the alternative recovery number and recovery, of course email, and by that easily this audio would be your right now while the recording, so that we cannot especially create a strong the password here and confirm the strong password, because this will be in the public domain, guys, as we know that. So but finally this audio, as we of course in this email has been recovered here. So by a similar strategy you can of course execute on any Gmail the recovery, either it has been stolen, hacked, or hijacked, or changed the password, or someone else is using. So permit me, this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. For the main inquiry, of course, have the query below the comment box, and if you are still confused, then leave your emails below the comments box. Of course I would address some these kind of issues together. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye. Thank you very much indeed.